Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sandhu and I provide sessions related to IELTS regularly on my YouTube channel. Guys, in this session I'm going to talk about H and M. It's not about the brand guys. I know shopping के बारे में मत सोचो. It's not at all about the brand. H and M method basically use होगा हमारा reading में. This is the most useful method for the reading module. It will not only help in improving the time management thing. So basically there are students who are facing problem. Some of the students face problem in time management. So it will not only help in managing time of reading module, but also help in the increasing the scores, because I know at times you are unable to answer correctly. And why is it so? Because you are not following the sequence, or you are not following the correct sequence, I would say. So guys, H and M method. So basically H stands for, here H stands for headings and M stands for multiple choice questions. So H is for headings and M is for MCQs. कुछ समझ आया? चलो, कुछ नहीं होता, नहीं आया तो मैं समझाती हूँ in detail. So guys, H and M method है क्या? देखो, reading में there are two things which I would recommend you to follow. The first one is do it passage wise. Okay, so sequence wise करो. Reading should always be done sequence wise. Okay, so first passage followed by second and then third. First passage, second and then third. For example, we have first, we have second passage. मैं two passages के basis पे आपको समझाती हूँ. First passage में I have three question types. Headings. Okay. Then we have fill-ups. Then true false not given. Whereas in the second passage we have match the correct endings. So matchups we have noun and description. Then we have short question answers. And we have multiple choice questions. So the first thing here is to follow the sequence. First method is to follow the sequence. First technique is actually following the sequence. We'll be answering every question of the first passage before proceeding to the second one, followed by the third passage. So first करेंगे, second and then third. Now ये तो हो गया. We know first finish करेंगे, then only we'll proceed to second. Talking about the second technique, which is first passage में we have three question types: headings, fill-ups and true false not given. For headings we have the method of we actually read the whole paragraph in detail and then only we proceed to the next paragraph. Okay, so we are reading it in detail, so we are understanding it. मतलब we are reading every single thing. So अगर पूरा passage की headings हैं, so we'll read the whole passage. So इसीलिए we are going to do headings always at first. So headings को top priority देनी है, सबसे पहले headings ही करनी है. Once you are done with the headings, what is going to happen? You have already understood the whole passage, and that too in detail. When you are going to attempt fill-ups and true false not given, you will not face any problem. This will help you immensely. So headings पहले करें. अब fill-ups and true false के लिए no sequence at all. कुछ भी कर लो, चाहे fill-ups कर लो, true false कर लो पहले, doesn't matter at all. Okay? But अगर यहीं पे हमारे पास थ्री क्वेश्चन टाइप्स में ट्रू फॉल्स नॉट गिवन की जगह हमारे पास मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. सो हम सबसे पहले हेडिंग्स करेंगे, सेकंड नंबर पे फिलअप्स करेंगे एंड लास्ट हम करेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. वेयरएज इन सेकंड पैसेज वी आर गोइंग टू डू, हमारे पास मैचअप्स हैं, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एंड एमसीक्यूज हैं. सो दिस वी नो. हेडिंग्स को हम सबसे एंड में करते हैं. एंड व्हाई? बिकॉज मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस को हम सबसे एंड में करते हैं. एंड व्हाई? बिकॉज मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन के लिए लोकेशन भी ढूंढनी पड़ेगी, बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल में पढ़ना होता है. अगर आप ऑलरेडी मैचअप्स और शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कर चुके हो तो आपको डिटेल में पढ़ने की जरूरत यहाँ नहीं पड़ेगी. ठीक है, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि लोकेशन यहाँ पे है इजीली एंड यू विल इवन फाइंड द आंसर. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी डू हेडिंग्स at last. Sorry guys, मैं बार बार headings बोल रही हूँ. I don't know why. Headings at first and MCQs at last. Headings at first and MCQs at last. अब यहाँ पे मैचअप्स हैं, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं, whatever you want to do at first you can. So you can do short question answers in the beginning or MCQ and matchups. So वो आपकी मर्जी है. So basically MCQs at the end and headings at the beginning. अगर एक पैसेज में headings भी हैं, fill-ups भी हैं, MCQs भी हैं, you're going to do headings first and MCQs at the end. But if in the second passage you have matchups, short question answers and only MCQs, then you will do MCQs हमेशा ही end में है, headings हमेशा first में है, irrespective of the passage number. So do any passage, but do headings always at first and MCQs at the end. That's why the name of the technique is H and M. H comes first and H at the end. So सबसे पहले headings करो, बाद में multiple choice questions करो. And I'm sure when you're going to follow this technique, you'll actually be able to manage your time. And I would recommend you all to reply me back in the comment section. Follow this method, reply me back, let me know क्या ये method useful था या नहीं था. If it was useful, I'll try to create some more sessions like such. So thank you so much for watching this session, and I hope you understood the concept and consider subscribing to our channel, guys. Thank you, guys. Bye. Take care.